Okay, students, now we are in the fifth video lecture of our first unit, human values. So, in the previous video lectures, we have discussed about various wording used in our daily life: moral, values, ethics, integrity, work ethics, service learning, civic virtue, respect and others, living peacefully, caring, sharing, honesty, courage, value, timing, cooperation, etc. And the importance of yoga, that is health issues. Importance of yoga and meditation used for our health problem, that is to avoid the unwanted things regarding to the health. So for this purpose we have given a lot of case studies with its general experiences or general examples. We are going to recollect or remembering the topic what we have discussed in the previous video lectures. I think all of you understand about the various wordings used in the professional ethics. Actually, the difference between the ordinary ethics and professional ethics means we have to follow some standard rules and regulation in our business activities or general project activities, etc. So normally in general we are giving respecting others, but if we consider the some organization structure, we have to give more respect to the owner, we have to give more respect to the experienced person, etc. Okay, we will discuss one by one for the unit 1, human values. We are giving lot of website addresses for our easy reference of these human values or in general professional ethics subject. Self-confidence and character, spirituality or some other wordings used in the daily life, used in the daily business activities. So for all these things we have to get relief from the stress. Commitment and empathy, cooperation or some important points. So character is the important word used in the person's behavior and attitude that make up the person's personality. Everyone has the character trait, both good and bad. Some character trait has the A leader or person who like to be in charge may have the following character triad: dominating, boorish, ambitious, bossy, disparaging, picky, cold-headed. Spiritual practices including meditation, prayer, competition are intended to develop an individual's inner life. So spiritual experience can include being connected larger reality, yielding a more comprehensive self, joining with other individuals. So yoga and meditation, if you are doing it practically, practical means you have to show interest and make awareness with the people, those who should be follow the um, who should follow the activities. So yoga is an ancient discipline designed to bring balance and health to the physical. Are you having any doubt? You can raise your questions. These are all the website what we can utilize for our understanding, for our understanding. Any questions can be raised on this topic what we have discussed. So with this lecture, we are concluding the unit 1. Any questions? So from the next class, that is next video lecture, we will start up the second unit, engineering ethics. Okay, concluding the unit 1.